Hello everyone. Today we see about big data analytics. Table content. What is big data? What is Hadoop? What are use of Hadoop? How to install the Hadoop application of big data? What is big data? Big data refers to the process that is used when traditional data mining and handling techniques cannot uncover the insights and meaning of underlying data. Data that is unstructured, time sensitive, or simply very large cannot be processed by relational database engines. The state of data requires a different processing approach called big data, which uses massive parallelism on readily available hardware. Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets that cannot be easily managed, processed, or analyzed with traditional data processing tools or methods. Big data is characterized by this volume. Big data involves vast amounts of information. This data cannot be generated from a wide range of sources, including sensors, social media, online transactions, and more. A sheer volume of data is often too large to be handled by conventional database systems. Velocity. Big data is generated at high speeds. Data streams in real time or near real time, and it must be processed rapidly to derive meaningful insights. Examples include social media posts, website clicks, and sensor data. Variety. Big data comes in various formats and types. This can include structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Of data types and sources can make it challenging to store and analyze. Additionally, some sources add more ways to the definition of big data. Scarcity refers to the uncertainty or trustworthiness of data. Big data often contains noisy, incomplete, or inconsistent information, which can complicate analysis. Value. The ultimate goal of big data analysis is extract valuable insights and make informed decisions. The value of big data lies in its potential to provide new knowledge and improve decision making. Variability describes the inconsistency in the data structure and meaning. Data can change over time or vary between sources, making it challenging to process and analyze it consistently. What is Hadoop? Hadoop is an open source framework for distributed storage and processing of large datasets. It was created by Doug Cutting and Mike Corfella and is named after Cutting's son stuffed toy elephant. Hadoop is designed to handle big data and is based on the MapReduce programming model, which was originally developed by Google. The core components of Hadoop include Hadoop Distributed File System is distributed file system that stores data across a cluster of community hardware. It is designed to handle large files and is fault tolerant, meaning it can recover from hardware failures. MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model and processing engine for distributed data processing. It divides tasks into two phases. The map phase, which processes and filters data, and the reduce phase, which aggregate and analyze the result. MapReduce jobs are used to process and analyze data stored in DFS. YARN. Yet another resource negotiations is resource management and job schedule component in Hadoop. It allows multiple applications to share cluster resource efficiently. Yarn replaces the earlier job tracker and task tracker components in Hadoop, providing greater flexibility and improved resource allocation. Hadoop Common. This component provides libraries and utilities that are necessary for other Hadoop models. It will include tools for managing Hadoop cluster as well as common Java libraries used by Hadoop models. Hadoop MapReduce. This is implementation of MapReduce programming model in Hadoop. It includes the job tracker when manage job submission and resource allocation and the task tracker, which runs tasks on individual nodes in the cluster. Hadoop is widely used in various industries and applications for processing and analyzing large datasets, including data warehousing, log processing, recommendation system, and massive learning. It is known for the scalability and ability to handle massive amounts of data by distributing the workload across a cluster of computers. Hadoop's ecosystem has expanded over the years to include various related projects and tools such as Hive SQL scoring of data stored in HDFS. BIG, a high-level data flow language. H-based distribution number SQL database. And Spark. The components and tools provide comprehensive ecosystem for big data storage and analysis. Big data input and output. Big data mind maps. Hadoop installation. Installation Hadoop can be a complex process, but I can provide with a general overview of the steps into install Hadoop on Linux-based system. Please note the Hadoop has several versions and the installation steps might vary slightly depending on the version. You are using the following steps provide a general guidelines. Prerequisites. A Linux-based system, Java development kit, install is Java-based framework. Download Hadoop. You can download the Hadoop distribution from the official Apache Hadoop websites. Choose the version that suits your requirements. Extract the Hadoop archive. Navigate to the directory where you download the Hadoop distribution and extract it using the tar command. Tar xvf Hadoop. Set environment variables. Add the following environment variables to your self profile. Export Hadoop home. Replace with the actual path your Hadoop installation. Configure Hadoop. Hadoop requires several configuration files to run. The main ones include core site.xml, HDFS site.xml, and mapper site.xml. You can find template files in the extra Hadoop directory of your Hadoop installation. Copy the template to your Hadoop configuration directory. You will need to edit the configuration files to set up your Hadoop cluster according to your requirements. Start Hadoop service. Hadoop has various services, including the Hadoop distributed file system and MapReduce. You can start the service using the following commands. Verify installation. You can check if your Hadoop cluster is running by accessing the web interface of name, node, and resource manager. Open a web browser and go for the name node and for the resource manager. Please note that this is simplified overview of the Hadoop installation process. The actual setup and configuration may vary based on your specific use case and requirements. Install Hadoop on single machine. Recommended platforms, prerequisites, install Hadoop, start the cluster, start Hadoop service. Hadoop, MapReduce, distributed computations, distributed storage, Yarn framework, common utilities. Big Data Hadoop admin training as roadmap. Start Hadoop service. Hadoop has various services, including the Hadoop distributed file system and MapReduce. You can start the service using the following commands. Verify installation. You can check your Hadoop cluster in running. Name node resource manager. Please note that simplify overview of Hadoop installation process. HDFS block size. Importance of HDFS block size. Why block size is so large? How it's related to map rate split size. HDFS replication factor. Importance of HDFS replication factor in production environment. Can we change the replication for a particular file or folder? Can we change the replication for all files or folders? Assessing HDFS CLI. Command line interface using HDFS commands. Java based approach. HDFS commands. Importance of each commands. How to execute the command. HDFS admins related command explanation. Configuration. Can we change the existing configuration of HDFS or not? Importance of configurations. How to overcome the drawback in HDFS. Name node failures. secondary name node failures, data node failures, where does it fit and where does it not fit, exploring the Apache HDFS Web UI, how to configure the Hadoop cluster, how to add the new nodes, commissioning, how to remove the existing nodes, how to verify the dead nodes, how to start the dead nodes, Hadoop 2.x version features, introduction to name node federation, introduction to name node high availability with NFS, introduction to name node high availability with QJM. Difference between Hadoop 1.xx and Hadoop 2.xx versions. Apache HBase. HBase introduction. HBase use cases. HBase basics. Importance of column families. Basic cut operation. Create, scan, or get, put, delete, or drop. Bulk loading in HBase. HBase installation. Local mode, pseudo mode, cluster mode. HBase architecture. HMaster, HDGN server, Zookeeper. MapReduce integration. MapReduce over HBase. Apache Phonics. Introduction to Phonics. Installation Phonics. Integrating with HBase. Comparing HBase as Phonics. Practice on Phonics examples. Apache Cassandra. Introduction to Cassandra. Installing Cassandra. Practice on Cassandra examples. MongoDB. Introduction to MongoDB. Installing MongoDB. Practice on MongoDB examples. MongoDB. Introduction to MongoDB. Installing MongoDB. Practice on MongoDB examples. Apache Drill. Introduction to Drill. Installing Drill. Practice on Drill examples. Have installation. Local mode. Hands-on installation on your laptop with internal DLP. Cluster mode with external DLP with external MySQL. High web interface mode. High thrift server mode. DLP installation. MySQL installation. Big installation. Local mode. MapReduce mode. Hands-on installation on your laptop. Hands-on installation on your laptop. HBase installation. Local node. Pseudo mode. Cluster mode. Hands-on installation on your laptop with internal Zookeeper, with external Zookeeper. Application of big data. Tracking customer spending habits, shopping behavior. In big retail store like Amazon, Walmart, Big Bazaar, etc., management term has to keep data of customer spending habit, customer shopping behavior, customers most likely product. Keep this product in store. Which product is being searched sold most based on the data production collections rate of that product get fixed. Recommendation. By tracking customer spending habit, shopping behavior, big retail store provide a recommendation to the customer. E-commerce site like Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, this product recommendations. Smart traffic system. Data about the condition of traffic of different road collected through camera kept beside the road at entry and exit point of city. GPS device placed in the vehicle. All such data analysis and jam-free or less jam way less time-taking ways are recommended. Such a way, smart traffic system can be built in the city by big data analysis. One more profit is fuel consumptions can be reduced. Secure air traffic system. At various places of flight, sensor presence. The sensor capture data like speed of flight, moisture, temperature, environment conditions. Based on such data analysis environmental parameter with flight are set up and varied. Be analyzing flight machine generated data. It can be estimated how long the machine can operate flawlessly when it been replaced or repaired. As an example, suppose any customer search bed cover on Amazon. So Amazon get data customer may be interested to buy bed cover. Next time when the customer will go to any Google page, advertisement of various bed covers will be seen this. Advertisement of right product to the right customer can be sent. YouTube also shows recommended video based on your previous liked watched video types. Based on the content of video, the user is watching relevant advertisement and so that during video running. Thank you.